3.
Can you say that again?
E2 and the power is 3x.
Good.
Then the whole thing minus 3.
Like this?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Okay. So first of all, we have to identify that the base function is e to the x. Agreed?
Yes.
Then the first transformation will be e to 3x. And we have to think very carefully, because remember, this is the only transformation that is giving us a result that we would not expect. When we multiply x by 3, we expect to stretch horizontally, but it's basically the other way around. It's difficult to show with e to the x, but this is a horizontal shrinking by a factor of 3, actually 1/3. But it's very difficult to show. We just have to show, like I said here, you know, this is the original function, and it's horizontally we shrink it horizontally, so it will look like this, because we multiply all heights by 3. If I multiply this by 3, it will just get closer to the y-axis. I see now what you mean. That's what it is. It's a horizontal shrinking. And then, number 2, then we graph e to 3x minus 3, which is down 3. Perfect example. Thank you for bringing that. So when I graph e to the x, I have this. When I graph e to 3x, I have this. And now when I bring it down, because remember this is a horizontal asymptote y equals 0, I have to draw y equals -3 first. And then my marker, my reference point goes here. 3 down. And then I graph. So this is e to 3x minus 3. Perfect example. Very nice. Is this okay?
Yes, thank you. I'm just in the MyLab math. It doesn't allow you to manually punch that in when you're doing the graph. So I have to remember that it's the shrinking.
You're making a very good point. If there is any problem on the test or final exam that you think that it's better for you to put it in writing for me, put it in writing, send me your notes, and I will disregard what you have in there, or I will just take what you're sending me.
Okay, thank you.
Very good point. I don't want you to spend time to plug in stuff. If you have the answer from me on paper, I'm fine. Very good point.